Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo TM, a cutting-edge appliance designed to revolutionize your laundry experience. With advanced AI technology, a sleek design, and powerful performance, this washer-dryer combo aims to make laundry day easier and more efficient. Let's explore the features that make the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo TM a standout choice for modern homes. Design and build quality. The Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo TM impresses with its modern design and robust build. Sleek and stylish. The appliance features a contemporary design that complements any home decor, available in various color options to match your style. Compact footprint. Despite its advanced capabilities, the combo unit is designed to fit seamlessly into smaller spaces, making it ideal for apartments and urban living. Durable materials. Built with high-quality materials, the appliance is designed for long-term reliability and performance. Capacity and performance. This laundry combo is engineered for efficiency and convenience. Generous capacity. With a large drum capacity, the combo can handle substantial loads, reducing the number of laundry cycles needed. High-performance motor. The powerful motor ensures effective washing and drying, handling even the toughest stains and fabrics with ease. AI technology. The standout feature of the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo TM is its integration of AI technology. AI-powered wash cycles. The intelligent system detects the weight and type of your laundry, automatically adjusting the wash cycle for optimal cleaning and fabric care. Personalized suggestions. Over time, the AI learns your preferences and suggests the best settings for different types of loads, making laundry more personalized and efficient. Washing features. The washing capabilities are designed to deliver superior cleaning performance. Quick wash. The quick wash feature allows you to clean lightly soiled clothes in a fraction of the time, perfect for when you're in a hurry. Eco-bubble technology. Eco-bubble creates bubbles that penetrate fabric quickly and deeply, providing powerful cleaning even at lower temperatures, which saves energy. Hygiene steam. This feature uses steam to sanitize clothes, removing bacteria and allergens for a more thorough clean. Drying features. The drying functions are equally impressive. Heat pump technology. The heat pump dryer is energy efficient and gentle on clothes, using lower temperatures to dry fabrics thoroughly without damaging them. Sensor dry. The sensor dry system automatically adjusts the drying time and temperature to prevent over-drying and ensure clothes are perfectly dry. User-friendly controls. Operating the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo TM is a breeze. Intuitive touchscreen. The large, easy-to-read touchscreen display offers a user-friendly interface with clear settings and options. SmartThings integration. Connect the appliance to the SmartThings app for remote control and monitoring, allowing you to start, stop, and receive notifications about your laundry cycle from your smartphone. Voice control. Compatible with voice assistants like Bixby, Google Assistant, and Alexa, offering hands-free control for added convenience. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a key focus of the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo TM, Energy Star certified. The appliance is Energy Star certified, ensuring it meets high standards for energy efficiency. Eco mode. Eco mode reduces energy consumption without compromising on performance, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Maintenance and durability. Maintaining the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo TM is straightforward. Self-cleaning technology. The self-cleaning function helps keep the drum and door gasket clean, reducing the need for manual cleaning and maintaining hygiene. Durable construction. Built to last, the appliance is designed with durable components to ensure long-lasting performance. Price and value. The Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo TM offers excellent value for its advanced features, high performance, and energy efficiency. It's an investment that promises to make laundry tasks easier and more efficient. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo TM is a state-of-the-art appliance that combines cutting-edge technology with practical features to deliver a superior laundry experience. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and user-friendly controls, it's an excellent addition to any modern home. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.